In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the line height of text in Elementor. If you're looking to enhance the readability and appearance of your text elements on WordPress, this guide is for you. Let's start by opening your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the left-hand side and click on Pages or Posts, depending on where your text resides. Once you've selected the relevant section, choose the specific page or post you want to modify. When the list appears, click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor interface. This intuitive editor is where you'll make your changes. On the Elementor editing screen, locate the text widget you wish to modify. You can do this by simply clicking on the text itself in the main preview area or by finding it in the navigator panel if you have many elements. Once you've selected your text, a panel will appear on the left-hand side of the screen, showing all the customization options available for that element. Now, focus on the panel and click on the Style tab. Under this section, you'll find a series of customizable options. Only a few tweaks here can make a world of difference to your visitor's reading experience. Look for an option labeled Typography and click on it. Within this typography menu, there are several parameters you can adjust, but we are interested in line height. To change the line height, locate the line height field. You'll see a slider and a box to enter specific values. Use the slider to adjust the line height visually or enter a precise number if you have one in mind. It's worth noting that the line height controls the vertical space between lines of text within your paragraph, so you'd want to experiment until you find a spacing that complements both the font style and the overall design of your website. If you're going for a clean, spacious look, consider increasing the line height. For more compact text, reduce the spacing slightly but ensure it remains legible. As you make adjustments, observe the changes in real time within the main preview canvas. This feature helps you see exactly how the text will look once published, allowing you to fine-tune until you're satisfied. When you're happy with the results, click the Update button at the bottom of the panel. This action saves your changes and applies them immediately to your website. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've modified the line height of text using Elementor, enhancing readability with a sophisticated touch. Be sure to review how these changes affect the rest of your site, ensuring every visitor enjoys a seamless and visually appealing experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!